Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching the basics of grade 10. So I know there are some people who will need these skills. Okay, today I'll teach how to bisect, and then also how to divide a shape into equal parts. And after that, we'll go and do how to draw a cycle in isometric. Okay, first, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a straight line. Okay, I'll start by drawing a vertical line. So remember to do the border lines. So there's a video where I did the border lines, so don't forget to draw the border lines. I'm just gonna draw my solid line any distance. So I'm gonna call this one A and B. So this is what I will do. Okay, I will erase this line so that nobody will get confused. So the reason I started by vertical line is because I don't have a T-square right now. It's broken, but I will have it soon. So to bisect is to divide the line into two equal parts. So you can't just come and say, okay, I'm gonna draw here or here, and you can't just say, oh, this is my middle. No, it's not like that. So this is what you do. You will use your compass, né? So open your compass a distance where you know it's more than half. Put a point A and draw a construction line, a curve, and then with the same distance, don't change the distance of the compass. And this point and this one, the accurate is vertical, so you're just gonna come and draw there. So that's how to bisect a line. So I'll call this one D and C. So you will need this technique mostly when you're drawing isometric. So there will be a time where you need to bisect, or maybe if you know that okay, you're given a distance which, if you divide that by 2, let's say 17. If you're given 17, if you divide it by 2, you will get a number which have like a comma. So to measure a comma here is difficult, so rather use this time to bisect. See? And the other thing, okay, I'm gonna show you how to bisect a circle also. So I'm just gonna draw another line. So, and with the circle, don't forget to draw center lines. So I'm just gonna draw a circle with any diameter. So with that same opening, you can divide this one with okay, I'll start. You just come and put you can divide it into 6 equal parts and 12. We're gonna do 12 now. So you just come and put a compass point here. You put here and here and here and here. Okay, and mark here. This style it's also used to draw an hexagon. With this one you have your hexagon. You can just come and draw a hexagon. So you come here and divide again. So we're gonna have 3 on each quad. 3 equal parts. 3. So that will make it 12 equal parts. So all we have to do, just come and draw this line. These are the basic skills you need when doing drawing on other chapters. Solid geometry especially. Yeah, that's how you divide your circle into 12 equal parts, any dimension. So don't forget to change the diameter of your circle. I mean, you don't change the diameter at all. You use the same distance. If you change it, you won't have equal parts. Okay, the other thing. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to bisect. Let's say we have an angular like this. I can just call it this point A, B, C. We want to divide where we don't know the center of this angular part. So to divide that, this is what we do. You come and put a compass point here. Okay. Okay, first you can draw a curve like this. So you'll put a compass point here. You can whether draw it here or here, but make sure you draw it a distance which you are comfortable. Again, you open your compass to a point where you are sure it's more than half of this thing. You draw a curve like that and come to this point. You don't change the dimension of the compass. There, now you have the center. That's the center. This is a basic skill of bisecting. So you have bisected your angle into, I mean your shape into 2 equal parts. So now I'm gonna come to another skill. How to divide a triangle shape into equal parts. So okay, let's see you have I'll just move there. So this will help a lot. I know there might be someone who doesn't know how to do this, and I hope it will help. So just draw a line like this. So we want to divide this line into maybe 10 or 13 or 6 equal parts. So you can be given a line like this and then they say divide it into equal parts. So what you will do, this is A, this is B. You just draw a line, a construction line at any angle here. Okay, they can say, okay, divide this into okay, let's say 12. Okay, let's do 6. So you can open any distance, but it must be convenient. You can't open a distance which is bigger than big like this. You won't have enough space. So you can just open a distance small like this and then mark. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can name this one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So at the last point, what you do, you're gonna join this one into this one. So to do that, all these equal parts must be parallel to this one. So to do that, you use your set square scales. You see, you come to this one and make sure it's resting on this other set square. You can even use what you call a T square. So you just move. When you move, you draw and move again. And draw. Draw. There you have it, 12 equal parts. So that's how you do it. Now I'm gonna show you how to draw a circle in isometric. Okay, this is what I will do. Remember, isometric is 30 by 30 degrees. So remember to use a set square. A T square. So I'm just gonna draw my isometric lines here. I'm gonna draw my isometric lines. Construction. So I'll just draw any box. Okay, let me draw a box of 60. I'll mark 60 here. And then I'll use that style of intersection. It's very accurate. And come here. can also use this one instead of you using a T square. This one is accurate. Still with the same distance, I'm gonna find the last point. So this will be my last point here. You can also do the measurements. To know how to draw a circle in isometric, it will help in isometric drawing, because I can bring it, like for example, yeah, this is not an isometric drawing, but if I can bring it, you have to draw this cycle. So remember, any cycle is drawing into a square. Every cycle in isometric is in a square. Even in 2D, when you're drawing 2D, the cycle, you construct the cycle inside a square. So this is a square. So since it's 60, I'm gonna just divide this one. I'll use my compass. 80. I will divide these three parts. So I'll have 3 cycles. So make sure that the construction, you draw this one with construction lines. If you are accurate, you must pass here, exactly here. So you need to be accurate, guys, with your measurement, because if you're not accurate, you lose marks, and all your drawing must be clean. So you get marks for this construction lines. So here's how you do it. You see, this distance from here to here is the longest, from here to here is the shortest. So you draw a line which is passing through the center from the longest side, and then from here you just come here and draw a diagonal line which is from this point to this point, and also from this point to this point. So it's very easy. Construction line and another construction line. So this will be our point to draw your cycle. So what you do, you come here and make sure your compass point is here, and then you draw your curve like that, and come here also with the same distance, draw your curve like that, and then the other curve you use this point, just come here. You see, mine is not that accurate, so it's going out a little bit. Yeah, that's how you do it. You drew a circle in isometric. Now don't forget the center lines. in grade 10 you get marks for this one. The center marks is short distance and long distance. So we're gonna do the same thing here. Remember, don't forget the longest, shwa. And then from this point to this one, you draw a point. When it intersects with this one, it will give you, you get a point, the center point where you will be able to draw a curve like this one. You come, put your compass point here and make sure you see. Draw a curve like that and come here and draw a curve like that. Yes, very accurate. And then to draw the longer one, you put a compass point here from the shortest. Yeah, this one. I can call this one A, B, C, D. So to draw the longer curve, you put your compass points on C and D. And I can call this one 1, 2. To draw these curves, you use 1 and 2. So D, make sure you open your compass to this point and draw a curve like that. See? And come to D, curve like that. Now that's how you draw a circle in isometric. So I hope you guys will be able to do the other one. Okay guys, that's all for today. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like the videos and share the videos to others.